Welcome to PMN Online. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to hide indicator name in TradingView. Let's get started. Have you ever felt that your TradingView chart is just a little too cluttered, making it hard to focus on what's really important? Well, you're not alone. Many traders prefer a cleaner, more streamlined interface to help them concentrate better on the task at hand. That's where hiding indicator names comes in handy, and I'm here to guide you through this easy yet effective customization. Finding your way to settings. First things first, let's open up the settings on your chart. There are two simple ways to do this. To click on the gear icon directly on your chart. It's usually easy to spot. Alternatively, you can right-click anywhere on the chart and from the context menu that pops up, select Settings. Both methods will get you to the same settings window. Pick whichever one feels more convenient for you. Navigating to the Status Line tab. Now that you have the settings window open, your next step is to head over to the Status Line tab. You'll find this tab among several others at the top of the settings window. Just click on it to access options specifically related to your chart's status line. Exploring the status line options. The status line is where you often see valuable real-time information like last price, open price, percentage change, and a bunch of other metrics. While these details can be quite useful, they might also clutter your interface. If you're aiming for a cleaner look, this is the place to make that happen. Look for the checkbox labeled Values in the list of options. When this is checked, the values will show directly on your chart's status line. For a cleaner and less distracting view, simply uncheck this box. This will remove those values, giving you a more streamlined visual, allowing you to focus better on the price action or any other elements you're analyzing. Final adjustments and saving changes. After you've unchecked the values box, take a moment to scan through the other options. You might discover additional settings that further enhance your trading experience. Remember, these adjustments are not permanent. You can always revisit and tweak your settings as your preferences change. Once you're satisfied with your changes, just close the settings window. Your adjustments will be automatically applied, giving you the clean, clutter-free interface you were aiming for. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your chart by hiding the indicator names from the status line. Outro. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to hide indicator name in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.